Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jonah with Capital Growths, and this is my Week 12 portfolio update video. If you're new to the channel, each week I deposit anywhere between $100 to $200 into my tax-free savings account in the hopes of retiring by the age of 30, maybe a little bit less, maybe a little bit more, and basically live off my dividends that come in. And I have a couple of stocks in here that aren't dividend-based, but I can explain my reasoning while I'm going through my portfolio. But anyway, I'll just show you the dividends that came in for the past week. It was nice. I had $5 that came in to start the month. And they're all by my BMO covered called ETFs. So right there, it's about $5. I've added up for my total for what I've had this month. And I'll just show you guys that right now. So, yep, September, I just got $5.95 by all those BMO covered calls. And then in August, I got $13, July, $16. And it's been on the trend of going upwards. And just having those income stocks, like the ones that just paid me, which are a little bit lower risk, it will help my monthly income, which is what I'm going after to help me retire. And then I also have a little bit of RRSP dividends that came in, but I won't focus too much on that. And yep, my account's sitting at $15,810. It says I'm down $77, but I am over that threshold line, so I am actually up. Just being finicky. But for the week, I'm up $59. The month up $153. For 3 months, I'm up $405, $447 for the year, and same for all time. So I'll just run through the positions right quick and tell you guys the highlights anyway, because I don't want to bore you with 40 positions, 43 positions. So yeah, my CNR position, Canadian National Railways, which is pretty much one of the biggest railway stocks you can own in Canada, that pays a nice dividend quarterly. I think it's 60 cents for each $150 share right now. But for my 3 shares, I'm up $80 for that Canadian growth stock. So that one's doing quite well. And I loaded up on the bank stock, so I have BNS and TD, as you'll see later in the portfolio. And I got a good price for CGXF, which is my gold and silver's covered called ETF. And as you can see on the 5-year graph, I got it at a nice discount at $11. My average price is $11.59. And yeah, I'll be able to see that when the market goes down. I'm hoping my gold and silver will go up. So that's nice. My DFN and DGS are 2 of my split funds that give me about... let me see, DFN is $10 a month in dividend income because I have 100 shares and each one is 10 cents. And then DGS about $3. So I'm making $13 a month just by holding those split funds there. DO or BRP, I'm up $86 for them. That's another good highlight for this portfolio because even though there is a chip shortage for motorsport vehicles and have a limited supply, people are still buying them, and I'm sure this stock will take off even further. As you can see, the past month has been doing very well. And ENS is an Enbridge split corp, and I'm up $17 for that, and it pays 13 cents a month for each share that you own. And each share is $14. So yeah, 13 cents for each $14 share you own. So if you're looking for oil and gas stock, Enbridge is the way to go. And just looking through, seeing what else I actually made a position with HMMJ, which is Horizons Marijuana Life Sciences ETF. And from what I can see, there's been some huge growth in this stock and a lot of decline as well. And I put about $150 in there, so when it rebounds, the dividends are nice because it does actually pay a 2% yield dividend. The dividends get higher when the price goes up, and just overall, I think that marijuana is legalized in Canada anyway. So if you're looking at Canadian stock, then it's definitely a good ETF, in my opinion. Yeah, I actually opened up another lithium stock here. I had my standard lithium SLI, but actually picked up some shares of just LI, American Lithium Corp. And I'm already up $23 for that penny stock, so that's pretty cool. Not a dividend stock, but I like getting into resources that will be essential for a lot of the products we use in this day and age. Lithium being one of them, and semiconductor chips, which I added with PTK here. They are making some good optical chips, and it will be good for those vehicles that need them, and even phones and other everyday products we have that just have chips in them. Just spent a little bit of money on there. I think I put like $35, but hopefully that one will be good in the long future. Power Corp of Canada, and we're Wealthsimple. I'm up $44 for them, so that's doing pretty well too. And yeah, my other lithium stock SLI is up $111. So yeah, we need lithium batteries for electric vehicles. So just trying to find a couple of stocks that are in that direction and discover lithium, even if they're not selling it quite yet. I'm patient. Suncor Energy, I'm down on them, guys, down $72, but I picked up the shares cheap, and once the price goes all the way back up, almost doubling of where it used to be with just some big gas stations they own, so I'll be able to get a higher dividend later on with that. TXF is my only technology company other than PTK, which is like my semiconductor chip I was talking about, but I'm up $8 for them. It's a nice, pretty generous dividend. I think it's anywhere from 20 to 50 cents a share each 3 months for a dividend. So it's pretty high for those tech stocks. And yeah, just my BMO covered calls that I got the dividends from. So yeah, my portfolio is doing pretty well. Still like to tack on BCE or Bell Canada eventually once the stock price goes down even more. I also picked up SBC, which is another good split corp, popular one by Brompton, SBC. And yeah, overall the portfolio is doing quite well. I think last week was at 15,650. So yeah, so I just want to show you my annual dividend income that I'll be eventually receiving with this portfolio once I've owned the stocks for at least a few months. Some only for a month, for the ones that are monthly dividend payers. But so far my annual income should be $1,000 a month from just these dividend stocks. So that's about $82 a month on average. So once I start seeing those pump through, I'll be happy to see this account grow. So stay tuned with that for me, and keep watching the videos and let me know how your progress is doing on your portfolios, guys. And yeah, like the video and subscribe.